In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and style your email in Mailchimp. Whether you're reaching out to clients, customers, or subscribers, creating professional and engaging email campaigns is essential. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, head over to the Mailchimp homepage and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the familiar Mailchimp dashboard. Now look toward the upper left corner of your screen, where you'll see a button labeled Create. This is where the magic begins. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select what type of content you want to create. For today's tutorial, we'll focus on crafting a regular email, so go ahead and click on Design Email to continue on the next screen. You'll be presented with several options for how to start your design. Mailchimp gives you the flexibility to begin from scratch, use a basic layout, or choose a fully designed template. To keep things simple and versatile, let's go with the basic layout option. Once you select it, you'll be redirected to a page showing various basic design styles. From these options, let's choose the minimal style. It's clean and simple, making it a great choice for most campaigns. Now, this is where your creativity comes into play. You've arrived at Mailchimp's email editor, a powerful tool that allows you to customize every detail of your email. Start by inserting your logo to establish your branding. Then, modify the text to convey your message clearly and effectively. You can adjust fonts, colors, and even the background to align with your brand's look and feel. Don't hesitate to experiment here. This is your chance to make your email stand out and reflect your unique voice. Once you're happy with the design, it's time to preview your work. Click on the Preview option, which lets you see how your email will look on both desktop and mobile devices. This step is critical to ensure your design is responsive and visually appealing, no matter how your audience views it. To take it a step further, Mailchimp allows you to send a test email. Simply enter an email address where you'd like to receive this test message, and click Send Test. Once you've reviewed the test email and confirmed that everything looks just right, you're ready to save your work. Click Save and Exit in the upper right corner. From here, you'll be asked to finalize your email subject line, so go ahead and fill that out. Now for the exciting part, sending your email. Navigate to the upper right corner again and click Send. The system will prompt you to confirm by clicking Send Now, and just like that, your beautifully designed email is on its way to your audience. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and happy emailing.